For design a website, first time you need a domain and you need hosting, and for this you can search for Google domain hosting. You will get a lot of website. You can purchase your domain hosting from any web hosting company. I am showing you a most popular one, extraorbit.com, extraorbit.com, and from here first time you have to search a domain. Suppose like this way, register a new domain. You can search any domain like .com, .net, .org, everything you can search for your domain name. Suppose I am looking for a domain with my name, search, unavailable. Okay, .net is available, .org is available, .in is available. In this way you have to search your domain name and you have to select the domain name. Suppose you like this domain, just click on checkout. Now you have to make an account and give payment, and in this way you can purchase domain. If I go to ExtraOrbit again, there is unlimited hosting. There are some plans for hosting packages. You can choose any plan.